Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add aesthetic frame or Nichi. Now let's get started. First, open your Nichi apps. If you don't have a Nichi apps, you can download first at Google Play Store or in the App Store. And after this, in here you can choose the template aesthetic frame on Nichi. I wanna try this one, so you just click on it, and then in here you can add the photo that you want to add. For add the photo, so you just click on the plus icon, this one, and then choose the photo that you want to add, this one, and then click on the import at the bottom. Okay, and after this, in here I wanna add again, click on it and click one last photos on this one, click export. And after this, in here you just click on the save at the top. Okay, and now you can click on the confirm. Okay, and finish. Now you can open your gallery and the photo has been imported to your gallery and finish. So that how to edit, that how to add a aesthetic frame on Nichi. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy the content, please consider like, comment and subscribe. Don't